Okay, so in this video, I wanted to walk you through the process of creating a new course. Now, you could use this new course, such as things like clubs or activities, where you don't have things that are linked directly to Canvas already from our SIS, which is Skyward. So this is how you go about that. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new course, and I'm going to name it, this is my club, or organization, or sports team, whatever you want to make. And I'm going to go ahead and create course. Now, first thing, you want to make sure that you have things actually published into your course first before you start sharing it, because they are going to have sort of instant access at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and add a module, and I'm going to title it Welcome Information. Add module. And I can add information down under here if you want to check out the other video where I walk through the process of creating a course. You can utilize that. For clubs and organizations, I would definitely recommend announcements. I would definitely recommend maybe discussions to have ideas centered around a concept or a fundraiser. And then I would recommend also having like the people tab so you can see all the individuals that are in there. And that's what I'm going to get to next. How do you add individuals to the course? So here's what you could do. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this course. So it is published. I'm going to turn green here. All right, great. And I'm going to go the whole way down to settings. So this is way number one that you can invite people to join the course. And this is going to be an invite URL, an invite link that you could email it to them, and they have the choice of signing up for it. And then the other way is where you automatically enroll them into the course. Okay, so the whole way at the bottom, you'll see underneath settings that there is a more options button. I'm going to go ahead and click more options. And the first check mark is let students self-enroll by sharing them a secret URL or code. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm going to say update course details. All right, so once the course is successfully updated, we're going to scroll the whole way down to the bottom. And now you will see in front of the more options button is this link, this URL. So if you give your students this URL, so you take it, you enter it into an email, send it to them, or wherever else you might post it, they can actually enroll themselves and add the course to their dashboard in Canvas. So that's one way. So once they have that link, they click on it, they can click join course, and that's all they need to do, and they will show up as individuals in your course. The other way is to automatically add them. And the way that we automatically add them is we are going to head over to people. And this is only for these extra courses that you're creating. Do not do this next step for courses that are associated with Skyward, with your SIS, because if you do that, it's not going to sync over right. Those students should automatically be enrolled in your class if it is in Skyward. So this is only for, this is my club. All right, so people, I'm going to go ahead and add people, and you enter in there's like student ID number at easternyork.net for us anyway. So you would enter in their email address. So I'm going to just enter in jcorb at easternyork.net, and you are going to enroll them as a student. And you can even, this is the same way that you're going to add other teachers. So if you have a co-advisor, you can add them in this section as well. But I'm going to leave it as student. Next. And it's going to verify that the following people are ready to be added to the course. Now you can download like your course roster, or if you talk to a secretary very nicely, they might be able to give you all of the senior class information or all of the junior class information. And all you need is the email, and that's it. So you take that email and you just separate them by commas, you just throw them all in here, and then you're going to click add users. And then that's it. So they are then added to their course, and you can see that I'm both enrolled as a teacher and a student now at that point. So that is how you add people to your course. You can either have them self-enroll, but if you don't want that option and you want to force them into the course, or you want to make sure that you're getting all that information out there, then that is where this adding people button is going to come into play. So that is, in a nutshell, how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Josh from The Edge, and I'll catch you next time.
The Eastern Edge.